Hello, we continue with the topic of ratios. In today's question, we will try to find the unit price of a product. How is it done using ratios? We will try to learn this. Our question is as follows. Emil is buying 12 apples for $480. Accordingly, the question is how much is the price of each apple in lira? First, how should we establish the logic? We can think like this. If all 12 apples cost $480, how much would I pay if I bought not 12 apples, but half of them? That is, 6 apples. If I take half of the apples, I think the price would drop to half. So if we start counting from here, if I don't take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6 of them, the price would drop from $480 to $240. 6 of them cost $240. Well, if I cancel half of these 6 as well, if I don't take them, half of 6 is 3. Then this $2.40 would drop to half, meaning it would drop to $1.20. If we consider the remaining 3 apples, actually Emil has paid $1.20 for 3 apples. We need to find out how much each one costs. If we proceed with our reasoning this way, we can find it. But this is of course a long way. So we won't go this way. What will we do? We will use the ratio logic we learned earlier. So how does that work? We have approximately 12 apples here, and their price is $4.80. Our goal is as follows. What if instead of 12 apples, there is just 1 apple? What would the price be? The ratio we are looking for is actually the price of 1 apple. In this type of proportion equality, our method has always been as follows. We learned that the cross products would be equal. So 12 times x will be equal to 480. If our goal is to find x, we need to divide both sides of the equation by 12, the coefficient of x. So when we divide both sides by 12, we find x as 480 divided by 12. Now let's do this division. Let's divide 480 by 12, 480. We will think this way. Starting from the left, is there 12 as a factor in 4? Since 4 is smaller than 12, there is no such factor. That's why I say it exists 0 times. And I bring the decimal point here. I said it is 0 times. Here, 4 and 48 is left. Well, we place the decimal, we place the point. Is there a factor of 12 in 48? Yes, there is. How many times? It is 4 times. Therefore, we said 4 times 12 is 48 and 0 is left. Of course, does it matter if we use this 0 or not? We will learn this in decimal numbers. Zeros after the decimal point have no significance. In other words, I can write as many zeros as I want at the end of a number. I can also write it down. Therefore, I would find the price of 1 apple to be $0.4 here.